We will take another
Okay.
frame too.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it video?
Yeah.
What you can see, the bees are alive. They have a lot of food around from both sides. They're very calm now. It's around 10 degrees outside, maybe 12, maybe more, maybe 11. We will see how they are doing. A lot of food. Bees are very calm. See both sides. Actually, it's end of January, and we have a lot of food stored from HIVE flow. You can see bees are fine, not attacking anymore. Good amount of bees. Yes, we'll take another frame. It's actually sunny day, but with some clouds. See? All bees are fine. A lot of food. Still continue wintering. You can see. Actually, winter passed successfully. Especially this colony very strong. Very good.